Hey everyone! Today I'm making some cool skull earrings and pendant using the sets I made in my previous videos. Want to see how I made them? Just keep watching. Welcome back to another video. My name's Melissa. Today I'm going to make some skull earrings. These happen to be the earrings and pendant that I made in my recent video. All I did was oxidize them, and I want to add some polymer clay skulls to them. So to do that, I'm going to grab a tile. I've got some baking paper here, and I rolled out some black. I'm wearing gloves because black stains everything. I rolled out the black pretty thick, and I'm going to burnish it a little bit with my baking paper. Hopefully it puts a little bit of a texture in it too. That side had some mica powder on it. So that's kind of a cool texture. This black is going to be the backs of my washers. And the skull is going to be made out of a mold, which I'll show you in a second. I don't know if it needs to be this thick. Let me roll it out a little bit thinner. Looks to be about as thick as the washer now. Straighten this up a bit. Actually, before I do that, baking bond. Putting some baking bond on, so hopefully the clay adheres. And I just want to cover the bottom third, bottom half. I'm going to hang this over a little bit. Okay, and I want to clean these up a bit. That's disappointing. Something got stuck in my clay. I'm going to have to do this one over. That's one thing I noticed about clay. Sometimes you just got to start over. Okay, I redid it. Just need to clean these up a bit. need to get the black off my hands now. Okay, this mold is from Zuri. Zuri Designs. It's got death moths on it, but it has these little skulls too. So I'm going to do these two. I need 4 little ones and 1 bigger one. I just press it in with a ball stylus. So messy. This is alcohol.